Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm your host, so let's start with today's session. When people hear about workplace health and safety standards, ISO 45001 is usually the first name that comes to mind. However, as organizations become more aware of the importance of employee mental health, ISO 45003 is gaining attention as well. Since both standards focus on employee well-being, many businesses wonder whether they are the same or serve different purposes. The truth is that while both standards aim to create safer workplaces, they focus on different types of risk and work best when used together. Now, what is ISO 45001? ISO 45001 is the international standard for occupational health and safety management systems. Its main purpose is to help organizations identify and control physical hazards that could cause workplace injuries or illnesses. This includes risks such as unsafe machinery, electrical hazards, slips and falls, fire risk, chemical exposure, and unsafe working conditions. The goal of ISO 45001 is to prevent accidents and ensure employees can work in a physically safe environment. Now, what is ISO 45003? ISO 45003 is the first international standard that provides guidance on managing psychological health and safety at work. Instead of focusing on physical hazards, it focuses on psychosocial risks that can affect employees' mental well-being. These risks may include workplace stress, burnout, bullying, harassment, excessive workloads, poor communication, lack of support from management, and work-life imbalance. ISO 45003 helps organizations create a work environment where employees feel supported, valued, and mentally healthy. Now, the biggest difference. The simplest way to create the difference is that ISO 45001 protects employees from physical harm, while ISO 45003 protects employees from psychological harm. ISO 45001 focuses on preventing workplace accidents and injuries, whereas ISO 45003 focuses on reducing stress, improving mental health, and creating a positive work culture. In today's workplace, both aspects are equally important because employee well-being involves both physical and mental health. Now, types of risk each standard addresses. ISO 45001 deals with visible workplace hazards such as faulty equipment, unsafe work practices, fire risk, chemical exposure, and physical injuries. On the other hand, ISO 45003 addresses less visible but equally important risks such as employee burnout, workplace conflicts, unclear job roles, excessive workloads, poor leadership, job insecurity, and lack of communication. While one focuses on preventing physical accidents, the other focuses on preventing mental and emotional strain. Now, how they work together. A common misconception is that ISO 45003 replaces ISO 45001. In reality, ISO 45003 is designed to support and complement ISO 45001. Organizations that already have an ISO 45001 system can use ISO 45003 to expand their approach to workplace safety by including psychological health and well-being. Together, these standards provide a more complete and balanced approach to employee protection. Now, benefits of implementing both standards. When businesses implement both ISO 45001 and ISO 45003, they create a workplace that supports employees physically and mentally. This can lead to fewer accidents, lower stress levels, improved employee morale, higher productivity, reduced absenteeism, better employee retention, and a stronger workplace culture. Employees are more likely to stay engaged and perform at their best when they feel both safe and supported. Although ISO 45001 and ISO 45003 are closely related, they serve different purposes. ISO 45001 focuses on preventing physical injuries and creating safe working conditions, while ISO 45003 focuses on managing psychosocial risk and promoting mental well-being. Together, they help organizations create workplaces where employees are protected, supported, and able to perform at their best. In today's business environment, true workplace safety means taking care of both the body and the mind. A truly safe workplace is one where employees feel protected physically and supported mentally. By combining ISO 45001 and ISO 45003, organizations can build stronger teams, improve performance, and create a healthier work culture for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to understand ISO insights. Thanks for watching.